If you want your AI art pictures to look like they were painted by a human, then this is a great prompt for you to try, and we're not even going to use any artist names here. To get this style, we're going to add the words "in the style of painterly strokes, harsh palette knife work" to the end of our prompts. This style has two main distinguishing features that make it look like it was painted by a human. Firstly, you'll be able to find a variety of brushstrokes that make up the image. Here's some examples of an armored paladin. If we zoom in here, we can see what look like individual brushstrokes. There's no way these images will be mistaken for 3D renders, CGI cartoons, or 8K photographs. Other good examples of brushwork can be seen here in these necromancer pictures. You don't even have to zoom in that far to see them. From afar, you don't often notice brushwork, but it's something you can see close up, and it can make your art look very, well, artistic. The second visual cue we're looking for with this prompt is where it looks like the paint has been built up or layered on an image, like here with these islands. The AI here is replicating what it looks like when an artist puts a thick dollop of paint on their canvas and then pushes it around with their palette knife. Thick, physical paint can take a few forms, as can be seen here in these forests, and in these planetary scenes. In most of these pictures, the subject of the picture is the clearest and most detailed part of the picture, and the further your eye moves away from the subject, the more brushstrokes and palette knife squishes can be seen, which is a technique often used by artists. This style is great to use if you want your pictures to look dynamic, as though there's action going on, explosion, fights, drama, and so on. It'll make your pictures look like there's movement. These bold colors and styles can make the viewer feel nostalgic and whimsical, but sometimes a little isolated, as though they are looking at a faraway land without actually being there. This style is amazing for scenery, where the brushstrokes can imply great levels of detail, and it's very fun for portraits too, as well as fantasy-based subject matter. I hope you get a chance to play with this art style. It does look very neat, and if you're interested in more ways to make your pictures look like they were made by a real person, why not check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.